to house tour. It's our celebration because last time I quitted the candy squad, but I'm back in the candy squad. Let's go. So first, this is the back to candy squad. Next, this is the food trucks. This is the house tour.
Girls only know boys.
Okay, let's go. First off, this is the sitting area where you sit. Okay guys, this is CGV. I'm coughing with that.
I accidentally swollen my saliva.
Downstairs because we don't have decoration on the upstairs. Yeah. And this is the eating room. You can eat here whatever you want. Okay, and yeah. So this is the garage that doesn't have any designs. Well, this is where we get the food, and this is where we chill. Okay, next, this.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Deleted something. Okay, so this is where we swim. Okay guys, this is where we enjoy the food. Oh, this is boring. Nobody's gonna see that. Okay guys, this is the swimming. This is where you fall. And this is where we play hedgehog. I don't know what game is this. And this is basketball. Okay guys, and we're gonna play. Let's go. We were gonna celebrate because we're gonna put fireworks. But I will remove something. I will just remove lights. Guys, we're gonna put fireworks. Can we? Oh, let's go. This is the fun. Guys, actually, we can't have fireworks. Oh my god, look at the sky, guys. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna picture it. Even though I already videoing. So guys, by the way, is Pretty Girl still in the game? Okay guys, wait. I will just search some, like, I don't know. Okay guys. Okay, this is, we're gonna go play now. First, we're gonna play hide and seek. And who's the seeker? Not me. Not me. Not me. Strawberry is late, so she's the seeker. Okay guys, let's go. Count to 100. Dito sa labas. Ito na yun. 1, 2, 3, go, start. Maliliit? Pwede lumabas? Huwag kayo lumabas! Pwede lumabas? Tay, huwag kayo lumabas. So ano? Ang daya! Mas daya! Ang hirap pa na. Ganito na lang ako paliit. Guys, so it's starting. She's gonna count to 100 and I gotta be bold. Wait lang, hindi pa ako tapos. Pero go. Akala ko ba? Sabi mo bawal. Okay, you can tell where we are. It's so unfair. Actually, guys, we can't use any colors. Anyway guys, we're still gonna hide. Hindi ka naman naka-share screen eh, so perfect. Pwede na magmaliit. Okay, but guys, we need to be careful. Buti na lang naka-headless ako. Hala? Guys, so there's a pink hole. What? Hindi pa ako nakatago. Ano be? Ano? Go! Guys! Oh, hindi. Guys, pwede ako magtago sa mga gamit? Okay. Okay guys, I swear they can't find me. Like, I'm literally downstairs. I'm downstairs. You're close to me. I'm the kitchen. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I'm scared for my life. Okay. Okay guys, next game is Squid Game. Red light, green light. Red light, green light guys, let's go. Who's the adol? Not me. Si Isa. Si China na lang. Blueberry, sorry. Ay, sige na, B. Play. Okay, go. This is how far we go. Sige, okay guys, we're going to be outside. Wait, I'm gonna cut the video.
This is where I accidentally cut the video, so bye.